Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax returns for government teachers. We'll cover everything you need to know to make this process smooth and stress-free. First, we'll identify the crucial documents you'll need to gather. Then, we'll explore the many deductions and exemptions specifically designed for you, helping you save money. Finally, I'll walk you through the entire filing process, ensuring you submit your return correctly and on time. To begin, gathering the right documents is key. Your Form 16 is paramount, as it summarizes your salary and any tax deducted at source. Next, ensure you have all investment proofs, especially for deductions under Section 80C, like Provident Fund contributions or life insurance premiums. Don't forget your bank statements and your Aadhaar card. These are essential for identity verification and accurate financial reporting. Now, let's talk about maximizing your savings through deductions. Section 80C is a big one, allowing deductions for investments up to 1,50,000 rupees in instruments like Provident Funds or life insurance. Also, remember to claim health insurance premiums under Section 80D. Furthermore, explore exemptions such as house rent allowance and leave travel concession, which can significantly reduce your taxable income. Every eligible deduction helps. Finally, let's navigate the filing process. You can choose to file online through the e-filing portal, which is often the quickest method, or opt for offline submission. Whichever you choose, meticulously review all the information you've entered. Double-check every figure to prevent errors. Once submitted, always save a copy of your acknowledgement receipt. This document is crucial for your records and any future correspondence regarding your tax return.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.